In our previous session, we were talking about Google AdSense. Now let us understand the dashboard of Google AdSense. Firstly, we have to create an account on Google AdSense. Note, you should have a Gmail account to access any of the Google products. Let us open a new window and search for Google AdSense. Now let us click here and open the link and click on this sign up button. If you are a first time user, this is the interface that you will be getting. Now, we have to submit our website URL only. No suffix or directory to be added. And you have to give your email ID. And select the first option, where you will be getting helpful AdSense information to your email ID. Click on save and continue. Now you have to sign in using your Gmail ID which you are given for the AdSense. And click on next. Now we are successfully logged into our dashboard. Now we have to give a site URL again. And we have to select the country. And we have to agree to the terms and conditions that is set by Google AdSense. And let's create an account. Now we have successfully logged into a Google AdSense dashboard. Now let us click on Get Started. Are you doing it for your individual or for your business? You have to select that. Now I am doing it for my business. My business name is Learn Digital Academy. You have to fill all these details here. Now we have filled all our details here. Then we have to submit it. Now we can see the HTML code here. We have to copy this code and we have to paste between the head in our website. Once you have copied the paste into your website, you have to mark this, I have pasted the code into my website, and click on done. Now this is how your dashboard will be looking like. Like you will be having no earnings initially because you have started it today. And you will be seeing the balance towards your right. And then you will be clicking on ads. So you can copy the code from here and paste it in your website to get which means you are integrated with the Google AdSense account. Now Google is ready to publish its advertisement on your website. Now you are called as a publisher. You can select by site. You can give your complete URL wherein the Google will be deciding where to place its advertisement. In the second option, you can select them by unit. that is by display ads, in feed ads, in article ads. Thank you.